and then the rest, you have to keep it. Okay, only 10. I want to see only 10 popsicle sticks on the table. And then the rest, you keep it. Did you keep it now? Only 10. Yes, only 10, only 10. No, the rest will be kept. The 10 will be on the table. 10 popsicle sticks on the table. You have 10 now? Okay, ready. 10 minus 2. Bawasan mo ang 10 ng 2. Use the popsicle stick, Sujun, not your fingers. Sujun, use your popsicle sticks. Use your popsicle sticks. 8. Yes, very good, Abad. Okay, very good, Enzo. So your 10 popsicle sticks. And then less 2 popsicle sticks. The answer is, what's the answer, Sujun? 8. Very good. Okay, now your 8. Put your 8 on the table. Okay, your 8 on the table. Your 8 popsicle sticks on the table. Tanggalin mo na yung 2. Kanina tinanggal mo na yun, di ba? Only the remaining. How many will remaining? Kiara, you have 8. Now 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, Sujon. 8 and then less 3. Yung 8, tanggalan mo ng 3. Tanggalan mo ng 3. Tanggalan mo na, Tanya. 0? No. No. Your 8, yes. The answer is 5. Tanggalin mo ang 3. Tanggalin mo ang 3. Ilan na lang natira? 5 na lang. 5 pa lang na. Wait lang. Okay, now. Oh, yes, 5. Very good. Okay. 5 popsicle sticks on the table. 5 popsicle sticks on the table. And then less 4. Less 4. Bawas? Yes, very good, Kiara. The answer is 1. Now, your 1 popsicle stick, your 1 popsicle stick, only 1, Alexa. Only 1. Less 1. Yes, 1 less 1. How many? 0. Yes, the answer is 0. Very good, very good. Yeah.